This demonstration video is for our impression slate pendants in both the mini and X mini size. When you place an order, you'll receive an impression wax kit in the mail. Inside, you'll find 3 wax pieces, numbered preference stickers, baking paper, a card explaining our price guarantee, a return post bag, and a return card. Before you begin, make sure everyone is ready as the wax heats and cools quickly. Wave your lighter evenly across the surface of the wax. Once the wax turns warm and develops a wet, glazed finish, press gently but promptly. If you're unhappy with an impression, wait at least 1 minute before reheating and trying again. The same process applies when taking impressions with knuckles or pets, although we recommend having at least 2 people present with pets. You can create this pendant double-sided with a different impression on either side. Take the prints one at a time, waiting at least 1 minute in between each. Your wax will be carefully refined back to the original pendant shape, so don't be concerned if your print spills over the edge. Place the waxes back in their containers and use the stickers to mark them in order of preference. To further personalize your impression piece, simply refer to the return card included in your kit. Repack everything and return it all to us. Your wax impression is then used to create your finished piece in your choice of precious metal. We'll also store your reserve wax so you can create another piece in the future without having to retake your prints.